Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for attending today's bell ceremony with Nasdaq. My name is Una Choi, and I serve as Nasdaq's U.S. Head of Listing Qualifications and Market Surveillance. And today, I am joined by Microsoft's Asian Employee Resource Group, known as Asians at Microsoft, in recognition of Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month. Each year in May, we celebrate AAPI Heritage Month in recognition of the contributions that Asian American, and Pacific Islander people have made to our society. This month is an occasion to acknowledge that the success of Asian and Pacific Islanders is essential to the success of any community. AAPI Heritage Month holds a personal significance for me, as it does for many of us. In addition to my role as U.S. Head of Regulatory Operations, I also serve as the executive sponsor to the Asian professionals at Nasdaq, known as APAN. As executive sponsor to APAN Network, I get to see firsthand the meaningful effects an inclusive and diverse culture can have on developing great Asian talent, and how that leads to success for all. Both APAN and Asians at Microsoft have similar missions. Together, we hope to advance our Asian employees through community, professional development, opportunities, and more. And like APAN, Asians at Microsoft is instrumental to creating the next generation of empowered Asian and Pacific Islander employees. As we gather today in honor of AAPI Heritage Month, I hope we are all reminded of the Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders who paved the way for our success today. AAPI Heritage Month has held a weightier significance in recent years due to the rise of anti-Asian sentiment during the COVID-19 pandemic. This month is a great opportunity to show our support for the Asian community and for ourselves to stand up to anti-Asian hate. Although we have a lot more to do before we achieve equity for those of Asian descent, we have a great opportunity as corporate leaders to lift up those around us and ensure a prosperous future for our fellow Asian and Pacific Islander colleagues, which in turn leads to a successful and prosperous future for everyone. Before I pass it over to our guests from Asians at Microsoft, I want to say how honored and grateful I am to be among the many incredible leaders who are going above and beyond their day job to ensure a great workplace for our Asian talent. I wish everyone a truly happy AAPI Heritage Month. Now, with that, I will pass it over to Jordan Lim, New York Chair of Asians at Microsoft.
On behalf of the Asians at Microsoft Employee Resource Group, it is an honor to be here to ring the Nasdaq closing bell during Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. As a group, we are dedicated to empowering the Asian community, both within Microsoft and beyond. We believe that diversity, equity, and inclusion is essential for building a thriving and innovative company culture, and we're committed to providing the professional and personal growth for all of our members. But our mission extends far beyond the walls of Microsoft. We believe that and recognize that Asian American talent faces unique challenges, such as discrimination and lack of representation in leadership roles. Yet we have contributed so much to the world. Our culture, values, and traditions have enriched our societies in countless ways. We are passionate about advocating for change and promoting equity and opportunity for all Asians. Through mentorship, allyship, and outreach, we aim to uplift and empower the next generation of Asian leaders. We believe that when one of us succeeds, we all succeed, and we improve and intend on improving, making a positive impact on the world. So thank you to Nasdaq for having us, to our families, both chosen and born, our support systems, and our loved ones. And thank you for having us today. And we look forward to continuing our work in the years ahead, as we are our ancestors' wildest dreams.